Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a steak in a cast iron skillet. I'll leave a link at the end of the video on how to season your cast iron skillet. Let's start with choosing your steak. I like a steak with a nice amount of intramuscular fat, more commonly called marbling. Remember, the fat is flavor. I like my ribeyes to be at least 1 inch thick with a nice size cap to eye ratio. Any thinner and the steak would cook too quickly and you won't be able to have a good sear on both sides. I like to make a seasoning for my steaks with 3 tablespoons of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of celery seed, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. I always let my steaks sit out for 45 minutes on the counter before I season and cook them. This will help the steak cook evenly and quicker. After I season my steak, I drizzle with olive oil on both sides, which will help it give a good sear. Once my pan is hot enough to smoke, I add canola oil and then my steak. Give a thumbs up if you love hearing that sizzle. I flip the steak every 2 minutes to help the steak cook evenly and get a nice sear on both sides. Then on the last flip, I turn off the heat, add my garlic, rosemary, and butter and start basting the steak. I like to rest my steaks for 10 minutes before I slice them. This gives it time for the muscles to loosen and the juices to go back into the muscle. If you slice your steak and there's a big puddle of juice on the cutting board, you needed to rest your steak longer. Then finish the steak with some flaky sea salt and enjoy. Thanks for watching my video on cooking a steak in a cast iron skillet. If you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon. Leave a comment below if there are any dishes you want me to make. See you next time.